We really wanted to lead on SDN NFV and this whole new paradigm of really moving to a software environment. So we need agility. I mean, that's the key word. So customers need and operators need programmability, scale, and agility. We need to have more options. The whole digital transformation ecosystem, if you like, or movement, is really getting bigger. There's more endpoints, there's more dynamic users, there's more, if you look at IoT, there's untethered workforces. There's lots of things moving and at play here in the digital economy, and so that means networks have to become software to get any speed into them. So it's a natural evolution, and at Verizon we made a decision to invest a lot of money in people, a good few years ago, to offer a large product set which we sell to enterprise customers today. Yeah, we can certainly look back and see a lot of the things we've done. We've learned a lot of lessons. So a big message to the whole community, our community, if you like, of operators and vendors, but also to our customers, is that this is complex. This is very, very, very complex. So the industry and customers, the result we want is automation and simplification, but we also need the agility. So you have some slightly opposing forces here. The system is getting more complex. But we've got to offer that in an easier way. So we've learned a lot of lessons, and my advice that we give to all of our customers and the industry in general is that if you want to do this well, you have to go to someone with experience and expertise. The idea that a system getting more complex and that you can then break it up and deliver it is actually a bit counterintuitive. It needs to be integrated. The SDN layer is really different from the underlay. It's all the network. Of course, at the end of the day. So you really need to come to someone like Verizon who has expertise and experience in delivering these networks. Yeah, very good. We've done quite a lot of internal networking. So there's a lot of people come from the US, from our optical area, from our pre-sales area, from our very technical teams. Obviously, we had my VP here, Vicky Lonka, doing the keynote, which allowed us in Europe to do a product kind of team meeting. But we also meet with lots of our partners here. The real aim for us is that it has to be an ecosystem. It's a well-worn sort of phrase, and we compete with, of course, with everybody, and we're all pretty tough at competing with each other. But we're not going to do it alone. Absolutely, we may lead in some technology, we may spend in one area and do well there for a while, but we need everyone to follow because we can't go it alone. So groups like the MEF who are here, the CNTT, which is recently formed for standardizing NFVI, that's what we really need. We need everybody to get on the same page so we can all move forward quicker. We're not all going to go and build this ourselves. It would be foolish. Certainly in the last year, the formation of the CNTT, the NFVI task force, it would have been great if it happened 2 years ago or 3, where everybody's kind of agreeing this needs to be standard now. We can't all go off and do it. I think this year the conference is in many ways saying a similar thing to last year. Everybody's fairly in agreement that we're really in the implementation phase of NFV SDN now, so everybody's really looking to what does cloud native really mean, and can we jump to the promises of cloud native? For me, I think having actually looked at how cloud native really works, network software isn't accommodated by the cloud native capabilities yet. There's still a gap to close, but once that's closed, then I think we can really move into a cloud-like network. Yeah, we went to the awards last night, which was great. We won the Operator Award for 5G Service Excellence. We'd like to think we had a good chance of that as we first to launch 5G in the US markets, and that's actual handset capability, real mobility, as well as fixed 5G access. And we can, 5G is a massive theme. Now 5G has SDN at its core, so it's very relevant for this conference. And the way that that interconnects to wireline networks. You know, for every 5G network you build, you need a lot of fiber, you need a lot of, you know, in a sense, traditional networking. And, you know, we're really leading on that, and we offer consultancy and expertise all over the world on how to implement 5G. We really think it's going to be a transformative technology.